Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be giving you 6 geometric earring ideas. So the mold I'm going to be using today is actually from the January Pixie box from Sophie and Toffee. The theme was geometric shapes, and as soon as I saw this mold, immediately I just thought the 80s. This has the 80s written all over it. So I decided to go for a very bright rainbow color palette. Now with a mold like this, you want to be using some really tiny tools. So I'm using my teeny tiny little teaspoon and also a very, very thin dotting tool. Usually whenever I'm doing any crafts, I try my best to at least plan out my colors, but this time I decided not to. I thought I would be a bit more free-flowing with them and just sort of see what came to mind at the time. I also wanted to try and stretch myself creatively by putting together colours that I wouldn't usually do. So I absolutely love pink and mint together, but that's not mint. That's definitely more of a sort of teal green, and that's a hot pink. And those are colours that I wouldn't normally put together, but I actually really do quite like it. Now these ones here, these are actually my favorites. They look the most like lightning bolts, so I decided to do them in my 3 favorite colors, pink, purple and blue. I then noticed that there was a little triangle left over, so I decided to make a necklace as a bonus. I was very happy with the way that all these lovely earrings turned out, but they're not finished yet. I have to drill holes in each of them and also have to sand them all down just to make sure that they're nice and smooth, and then they are ready for glossing and also glitter. What, you thought I wasn't going to put glitter on them? Girl, please. Come on now, you know me better than that. But why stop at glitter? Why not add in some rhinestones too? You see, the really cool thing about this is that it gave me a lot of room to experiment. I was experimenting with different colors and also with different embellishments. And you know I love me some embellishments. Even though I'm really not a fan of bats in real life, I do love the bat aesthetic, it has to be said. So I couldn't leave out all of you bat fans as well. Now for the necklace, I wanted to have quite a delicate glitter background, and then I wanted to include some music notes because music is literally my life. I cannot function without music. Once they had all been glossed and had their findings attached, then they were finished. I'm so happy with the results. What do you guys think? And also let me know which pair that you would like, because the first 5 earrings that you see here are actually up for sale. So let me know if you would like to get your hands on any of them by simply dropping me a line via Instagram. These ones though, these ones here are mine, so you can't have those. And also the necklace is mine. But the other 5, feel free to drop me a line if you would like to get your hands on them. I really hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If so, please do share it out with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.